Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you some advanced features of the messaging app. These are features that you may or may not know about, so let's get into it. Before I forget, subscribe, it really helps out the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified first when I post a video. One of the first things that you can do is you can pin messages. If you've got a big line of messages, you can pin certain messages, you know, your favorite ones, people that you talk to the most, at the top, all by just holding down and then going up on the menu and selecting. It should say pin to top. This one's already pinned, so it's gonna say unpin is the only option that it's gonna say, but you'll have an option here to pin to top, so you don't have to scroll all the way down to the ones that you need to get to. They'll always be at the top. One of the features that you can go into is you can add different people onto existing text message conversations. Now this is essentially a normal conversation. If I was to go in and add another person, that person will be able to communicate with all maybe 3, 4, 5 people from that point in the conversation. So you could essentially have an existing conversation, add someone in, they'll be able to contribute their, their opinion or whatever the situation is, and then you can take them off if you so wish. The last feature I want to show you is essentially the notifications. One of the things that you can do is you can mute the notification. So for example here, if I was to select this little bell, what it would mean is that the notification will be the normal text I've had set. Now if I deselect it, you'll see go empty, clear, which will mean that this text message, if I receive anything from this text message, it won't actually notify me at all. You can further go into the settings here. You can go into, for example, you can leave it as a default there. You can go into settings, you can go and completely remove everything there as well. You can also select different sounds for the text messages, or you want to make the notification for this text message conversation different. You can do that here, and then you can also go into this bit here, the lock screen show content. Now you can stop it from showing the content of the text message on the lock screen from this point. So you know, when your phone's on the side, you've got a text message, you don't want people to see the content of the text message, so essentially you come here, you go hide content, and whenever your screen is locked, the message will still be notified, obviously, if you've got this on, but no one will be able to see the content of the text message. So that was just a quick look at advanced text message features on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.